This is a real-life mosquito larvae. Right here, right now, it's real. Just real life. And we're going to be feeding it this apple. Okay. Come on, little buddy. Come on. Come on, little buddy. Come on. No, it bit it. It bit it. Now there's a big bite mark in it. I cannot believe this. I just cannot. Thanks for watching, and this is the end. That good? Can I please take the microphone off now? Hi, I'm Katya.
And I'm Alexei.
For this video, we used a technique called forced perspective, but we pushed it to the extreme.
We wanted to negate 200 times difference in size.
Dad, these are rookie numbers. We will need to push it up to millions.
Okay. With a regular camera, it would be impossible to keep both far and close objects in focus. One can increase depth of field by closing diaphragm, but it wouldn't be enough for objects at different size that much.
So we had to assemble this setup, which has a pair of optics. The easiest way to think about it is that this camera over here projects an in-focus picture of the far object where the camera sensor would normally be. At the same place where we put a slide with a small object, over here, and look at them through the microscope, we have a very shallow fraction of a millimeter depth of field here, and another one for the big object somewhere over there. Don't ask me where. This setup has a high crop factor, really high. The lens builds a picture of 36 millimeters wide, but through the microscope we can only see an area of just 5 or 2 millimeters wide, depending on which object is selected. This 25 millimeter wide lens we used for the mosquito shot works like this telephoto, so I had to stay 5 meters away to fit in the frame. This magnification is also why the moon moves so fast in the frame. Bye.